Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the RationalInvestor.com's Daily Brief. Opportunity is now here. So I guess maybe there'll be like one more push up here. It's interesting to see how the stock market is trying to turn back to the upside. And I even heard guys like Johnny Salmon were saying that they've got the S&P pointing up. They've got now, of course, crypto pointing up in earnest. And they can get back to hunting longs. You can see it. It looks like there's quite a bit of a pivot. Not so much in the bonds. Bonds still crap. But pivot back up in some of the risk asset proxies of the world. Looks like most of the stock indexes are trying to pivot back up. So we'll see how that goes. And then, like I said there a moment ago, crypto actually looks like it tried to pivot up there a day or so ago. What's leading the charge? Energy XLP. Who's that? Is that our consumer staples? Feels like it. Consumer staples. Procter & Gamble, I showed you that. Big W's. Shouldn't surprise us, considering where we are in the economic cycle. US dollar index charging higher. Econs coming out of North America, super positive. Gotta say, Canadian econs very, very strong. The only problem is yes, the econs are strong, but the inflation numbers are insanely strong. So as a result, what's the actual zero-sum game at the end of all of it? Or is it a zero-sum game, I should say? So interesting to see. Good old goddamn Canadian ETF, iShares MSCI Canada ETF, bullish. Although I don't know, man. I don't like the look of that. I would not step in front of that. But, you know, as an asset that's relatively strong in the marketplace, I wouldn't be surprised if we actually have to do reload zones of this range now down into this September, October. Or, well, it might go on into September, October. I don't know. But you can see how this gap down here had to be filled in. I don't know, maybe that's been filled in there, but we left a gap there. So my hunch is there's also a gap there. So my hunch is probably down into this area. And it's probably predicated on, you know, does the Fed keep cranking interest rates up here? If they do, that should knock the wind out of the commodities markets. We're very close to the top of the commodities seasonal cycle. Buy your unleaded in the middle of February, sell the middle of May, made money 9 out of the past 10 years. And, of course, everybody knows that Brian's birthday is coming up. And we all know that when it's around Brian's birthday, everybody sells all their winning stocks to go and buy Brian birthday cake. So don't be surprised if there's some sort of seasonal talk coming in here. A lot of times, especially if you're sort of like long side only, and keep in mind, they always say bull markets, everybody makes money. Bear markets, nobody makes money. So through these kind of event windows, you got to just sit there and go, okay, we got to wait, we got to wait, we got to wait. And if anything, we're getting quick turns back up, which is nice. That's good to see. But what I want to see is I want to see teal turn back up, then give us buy signals. Then we'll know that, okay, this market's back in rally mode. And I got to tell you, that in itself is probably the most valuable part of this entire platform, is just understanding, is the market in rally mode? No, right now it is clearly not in rally mode. When it is in rally mode, that's like Nick's comment in our weekly cryptocurrency show, right? I want to only participate when we're in easy mode. We're not in easy mode right now. So you just got to cool your jets. Now, it's interesting. Crypto is trying to go back into easy mode here. So if we're really lucky, maybe we're most of the way through this correction. But any kind of buy signals now that I get in crypto, I actually don't mind them. I really don't. This feels like it's getting a little easier. The only problem, like I said, is how long does this rally last? Do we get maybe like 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 weeks if we're lucky, a month of rally here? I mean, you see how this swung, right? This is basically 1 month ago, right? 1 month ago, we were all talking Lambos. A month later, could we be all back at 1 month from now talking Lambos? It wouldn't surprise me. And that's probably your soundbite, Chris. And could we, based on the fact that this is oscillating on a monthly basis, could we find ourselves the middle of May and we're back into Lambo talk? It wouldn't surprise me one bit. And then, of course, if this thing gets ridiculously overbought, then we all have to cool our jets and wait for the damn thing to cool down again. Really simple. Rinse and repeat.